Life on Wings, relating to a bird's life in a city through a board game. Humans have historically shared space with wildlife. Development of modern cities made these spaces inhabitable for several species that resided in close vicinity with humans. In response, humans created many interventions for human wildlife coexistence, ranging from protected areas, sanctuaries, to artifacts like bird feeders. We have also observed some species adapting to human settlements in urban areas. Birds are one of them. Given their diversity of colors, song, and display, birds often draw the attention of the layman and have historically invoked people's interest in nature. Yet, they face several challenges in urban areas, including loss of habitat, nest sites, and food. Although city dwellers are aware of these issues, they often do not engage with them. Our board game, Life on Wings, caters to this opportunity and aims at nurturing stronger relationships between humans and birds. The game has been designed with an objective of spreading awareness about the challenges that an ever changing urban environment creates for birds. We chose the medium of board games because it enables social play, promotes skills for shared decision making, and facilitates learning through shared experiences. Our game consists of 9 components, which are season-specific game board representing the map of a city with diverse landmarks, beads of different colors representing food at various locations in the city, bird cards giving information about feeding needs and activity traits of specific birds while also functioning as a record of actions taken by the players, situation cards related to random changes happening in the city, season-specific food dice along with various tokens, and reward badges. To play the game, players choose one out of 6 tropical birds. The game is then played by taking turns, such that 3 turns constitute a day and 3 days constitute one season. On their turn, players choose one of the activities mentioned on the bird cards while dealing with dynamic situations that arise in the city. The design journey of Life on Wings followed research through design approach while referring to the MTA framework and triadic game design frameworks. We started by selecting distinct bird species based on their familiarity and diversity of traits. We shortlisted their activities, which included daily essential tasks like feeding, preening, resting, and flying, as well as season specific actions like nesting and feeding fledglings. In parallel, we designed the map of the cityscape iteratively such that it captured the realistic bird's eye view of the city. Finally, we introduced permanent and temporary situation cards representing frequent changes in the city causing positive and negative impacts. After the game prototype was ready, we conducted a user study to investigate whether and how our objective is met. The study was designed using convenience sampling with 11 master's degree students of game design. None of them had any expertise or experience related to ornithology or birdwatching. The game was played in 3 groups and data was collected through participant observations and post-study qualitative interviews. Analysis of observation data and interview codes provided us with 4 key themes. Players learned through collaboration. While playing the game, they collectively reacted to the random events that occurred in the city and contributed to each other's understanding of the cityscape and its challenges. Localized knowledge supported connection. Although players were familiar with the birds in the game, they learned more about them using the bird character cards. Contrast in the lives of the birds generated empathy. Different birds with different traits prompted players to play differently. Familiar situations supported imaginative gameplay, which, in combination with the minimal design of the game, helped players in observing various imbalances in the cityscape. Based on the insights gathered from the study, we have articulated 3 design implications to encourage future explorations of playful experiences related to human wildlife cohabitation. We observe that players learn and empathize more through collaboration and shared experiences. We recommend that games intending to explore human wildlife coexistence should avoid reward mechanisms based on individual scoring and focus on collaboration over competition. They should encourage local game movement. Life on Wings helped its players in connecting with the birds that they saw around them. We suggest that setting a local geographic context for cohabitation related playful interventions can be more impactful. Digital platforms can leverage this further to create more realistic portrayal of maps and seasons for various other geographies. Facilitate longitudinal first-person perspective. In most of the existing cohabitation-related HCI works, the focus has been on providing short-term reflection on someone's life by living it momentarily. Our game enabled players to play over a period of a year in the life of urban birds, establishing a better connection. This approach can further be explored while designing games related to the life cycles of various natural entities around us. We hope that our reflections will inspire more playful explorations in the field of human wildlife cohabitation, creating awareness about human wildlife conflicts as well as strategies to resolve them.